In the next set of questions, we'll be classifying and graphing equations of circles, parabolas, hyperbolas, and ellipses. Classify the equation as a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola, then graph. The equation we're looking at is y equals x squared minus 4x minus 1. Let's first of all decide whether it's a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola. This one has one square term, x squared. The y and the x are not square terms. That means we have a parabola. For the others, we would have two squared terms. So we've classified the equation. Now let's graph it. What do we know about this? Well, this is a parabola that's going to open up or down, and it's going to open up since we have an x squared coefficient of positive 1. If we complete the square, we can find the vertex. We have y equals x squared minus 4x. Half of negative 4 is negative 2, squared is 4. So we add 4, subtract 4, and we have the minus 1. So that gives us y equals x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 5, or x plus 2 squared minus 5. That gives us a vertex of negative 2, negative 5. Oh, this is minus 2. Sorry when I factor that. X minus 2 squared gives us a vertex of positive 2, negative 5. Mark that here. And then graphing, we can get some points to graph the rest of this parabola. And drawing a sketch of it, we see it would look like this. Finally, we label it. Y equals x squared minus 4x minus 1.